Hello ladies and gentlemen, Jansen Fancher here. I've got a new listing here. It is a Sea Ray 370 Sundancer. It is a V-drive boat in great shape. Got the extended swim platform. Current name is Corked and Loaded. Got the sea deck in here. Vinyl appears to be in great shape. Got the foldable table here. Refrigerator and trash can. This boat does have a bow thruster. Here's your grill. Swivel seat there. Got a big Simrad screen, smaller one, Fusion audio system. There's your thruster. Got a 668 on the port and 657 on the starboard. Moving down, great size cabin. Boat appears to be very clean and well taken care of. As far as the generator goes, 402.3 hours currently. If you'd like to set up an appointment to see this boat in person, give me a call. My direct line is 573-606-3029. Thanks and have a great day.